Understanding, melt away. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving deep into a very visual and evocative phrase, melt away. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it, and in what context it makes sense. To grasp the figurative meaning of melt away, let's first understand its literal meaning. Melt. This verb refers to the process of a solid turning into a liquid, usually due to heat. For instance, think about ice. When you take it out of the freezer and leave it at room temperature, it begins to melt, turning into water. Away. This adverb gives the idea of disappearing or reducing to nothing. So, when we say something melts away, literally speaking, it means that it dissolves or disappears like a melting substance. In everyday English, melt away is often used in a figurative sense. 1. Emotions or feelings. Imagine you're extremely worried about something, but then you receive some good news that makes your worry disappear. You can say, after hearing the news, my worries just melted away. This doesn't mean your worries turned into liquid. It means they disappeared. 2. Reducing in numbers or size. Consider a large group of people that gradually leaves until there's hardly anyone left. We can say, the crowd melted away after the concert. This indicates that the crowd dispersed or reduced in size over time. Let's look at some example sentences to see how melt away is used in different contexts. 1. As the sun rose, the morning mist melted away. This means the mist disappeared as the sun came up. 2. Her anger melted away when she saw the surprise gift. In this context, her anger disappeared when she saw the gift. 3. The company's profits melted away after several bad investments. This suggests that the company's profits significantly decreased or disappeared due to poor investment decisions. Melt away is a beautiful phrase that can paint vivid images in our minds, whether it's about melting ice, disappearing worries, or a reducing crowd. English is full of such expressive phrases, and understanding them not only enriches your vocabulary but also makes the language more enjoyable. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning of melt away for you. Keep melting away those language barriers, and until next time, happy learning!